in a smaller team of maybe 6 or 8 dogs, and most of those dogs will be veterans and really calm, well-behaved dog, and you'll start off just doing a mile, and I mean their instincts kick in, and most of them do pretty well, and just get that they're supposed to run forward and
follow the guy in front of me.
That's the same with leaders. If you have a really strong, confident leader, you can put an inexperienced dog up there with them, and they can teach them the commands and basically keep them in place. So in Alaska, I was working with the yearlings, and I had a few older dogs who I was working with as well. And there's this dog, Krypton, who he had done 8 1,000-mile races. Like, he is just an insane, amazing dog. Looked like a really traditional Alaskan Husky, like super fluffy, just kind of like that white and gray. And he was very hard-headed, but loved to please. So he was a great leader. You'd have him up front, put a puppy up there with him, and if the puppy didn't turn the right way soon enough, he would just bark it in their face. Just let them know, like, no, that's not, you're doing it wrong.
Petunia, right?
Petunia.
She's
Doing great, yeah. Phantom's a great leader, but she's not really assertive, she's letting Petunia get all over her. But she knows the commands and stays, doesn't turn around, so the dogs have up front. Last team just passed Little Granite. We have about a mile left. Just got a fast team today. Have you guys seen the movie Togo?
No.
I
think I have.
That's a really cute movie if you guys are like wanting to watch something. It's based off a historical event that happened in Nome, Alaska. So Nome is where the Iditarod ends. Northwestern part of the state off of the Bering Sea. And today, I mean, it's super remote, right? There's no road systems going there. The sea is frozen like 7 months out of the year. And this happened in January 1925. Imagine how harder it was to